guys, and welcome back to another video on Journey's Randomness. And today I'm going to be reviewing this. It's gonna be a short review because I gotta leave in a little bit. But yeah, let's get into it. You gotta guess what I'm gonna do with these guys right here. Because that's gonna be for my next video. But yeah, let's just get into it. Alright, so look at the colors. It's one of those guns where you have to like pull back the thing. Well, look at the colors: orange, blue, white, and green. That's so zoomed in. But yeah. And then the barrel, and then you just put the bullets in there, then reload it and shoot it. When you reload it, it spins. I don't have any more of the bullets though. And then you have the aiming point of the gun. And then you have the reloading. This is kind of hard to do with your legs. Alright. And then the barrel spin, but you didn't see it. And then whenever you pull the trigger, obviously that happens. But yeah, that's kind of it. Yeah. That's kind of it. That's it. That's it. That's all. That's all there is to this gun. Like, you have the grip part. The reload, the trigger, the housing, I guess you'd say, and then the barrel. And yeah, that's kind of it. Muscle Mario. Muscle Mario. But yeah. That's it for this video. I'll see you in another video on Journey's Randomness. Bye.